Part 5, Sacred History. 1, Khalaqal Wajud, the creation. And we have a woodcut here, while our illustration or whatever, I'm not sure if it's actually a woodcut. So there's a woman with her hand on a palm tree. She reaches up. I presume this is supposed to be Mary, right? Because there's some food on the ground, I think. Could be rocks. I'm not sure what all these other plants are next to the palm trees, but I'm thinking she shook down some dates. Walaqad khalaqna samawati wal arda wa ma bainahuma fi sittati ayamin wa ma masana min lughub. Wallahu walladhi khalaqakum min nafsin wahidatin wajala minha zawjaha liyaskuna ilayha falamma tangashaha hamalat hamlan khafifan famarat bihi falammat qalat dawallah ramban aridana salihan lanakunanna minna syakirin falamma tamma salihan jalalahu syurakaya fima atahumma Fatalallahu amma yushrikun yushrikuna ma la yakhluqu shay'an wa hum yukhlaqun. Surah 50:38, we created the heavens, the earth, and the space that is between them in 6 days. And this is without the least weariness, and that word for day can be any time period, really. And by we, they mean the royal we. Surah 7, 189 to 191. God, it is, who created you from a single being, wherefrom he made a spouse, that he should dwell with her. When this being had carnal intercourse with her, she bore a light burden, which impeded her not. When it grew heavy, they called upon God, their Lord. If thou givest us a son without blemish, we shall be very grateful to thee. When he had given them this son, they attributed to God in return, literally for what he had given them, associates, Mushrik. It became Mushrik. Mushrikain, I think is the dual, right? God is too exalted for associates to be attributed to him. So nothing shares in divinity. Can one associate with him beings who have created not, and are themselves created?